We talk about getting outdoors constantly when telling people to come to Lehigh Valley to experience all the fun things to see and do here. We're not kidding when we say there's plenty to do. So put on your adventure cap and maybe some sunblock and let's have some fun. Paddle your way through Class 2 and 3 rapids on the scenic Lehigh River. Don't worry if you're a beginner, their experienced guides will be with you every step of the way to ensure your safety and enjoyment. If you're looking for something a little more intense, you can try their inflatable kayaks, where you'll navigate the rapids all on your own. Or if you're looking for a more relaxing experience, you can enjoy a leisurely paddle down the river on a calm water trip. No matter which adventure you choose, you'll be surrounded by the breathtaking beauty of the Pocono Mountains. The lush forests, towering cliffs, and sparkling waterfalls will take your breath away. We'd say take lots of photos, but this is one where you'll want to be a little bit more hands-on. After all, you're here to disconnect and make amazing memories. Next is a similar adventure, but calls for different flotation devices. Learn about America's canal age while taking in the sights when visiting the National Canal Museum and Hugh Moore Historical Park in Easton. At Hugh Moore Historical Park, the sparkling waters of the Lehigh Canal beckon you to indulge in a variety of exhilarating activities. There are more than 2 miles of the placid, fully restored Lehigh Canal in Hugh Moore Park, located alongside the D&L Trail. Explore the canal and D&L Trail on a paddle boat, canoe, kayak, or bike, available for rent next to the dock of the Josiah White II canal boat. Staff inside the Welcome Center will help you choose the right craft and assist you with getting underway. Life jackets and helmets are available for children and adults. Or if you prefer a more leisurely adventure, step aboard the Josiah White II canal boat. Immerse yourself in the rich history of the region as you cruise along the canal, guided by experienced storytellers who bring the past to life. Sit back, relax, and let the gentle waves carry you to a bygone era. Now let's head to a place that always brings the fun, especially when trying to cool down. Let's head to Wildwater Kingdom. Dorney Park and Wildwater Kingdom is the ultimate destination for water park fun and thrills. Wildwater Kingdom offers an endless array of water rides and attractions that will keep you cool and entertained all summer long. Whether you're a thrill seeker looking for a high-speed water slide or you're just looking to relax and soak up the sun, there's something for everyone. Check out Aqua Blast, a towering water slide that will have you screaming with excitement all the way down. With multiple slides to choose from, each offering a unique and thrilling experience, you'll want to ride them all. And for those who prefer a more laid-back experience, float through the lazy river that winds through the park. Or cool off in Wildwater Cove, a massive wave pool that simulates the ocean's waves, or at Splash Landing, a colorful splash pad with fun water features that are perfect for kids. Your summer to-do list is growing, we know. Isn't it awesome? We can't wait to see you on the water this summer, or in it. I'm Holly Harrow with Discover Lehigh Valley, and that was a peek at the valley.